is this? Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and I just found out I can get that radio installed next week, so we're gonna do it next week, and it's about to sound much better. But so I need to go get 3M tape for the rear louvers because the tape just keeps falling off on the one side. I tried 3M tape, Gorilla tape, and they all just seem to fall off. Gorilla tape, which is on it right now, seems to be the absolute worst I had, but for some reason I can still stick it back on and it'll last for a few hours and then it will unstick when it's sitting, which I really don't understand. So I'm gonna go get the 3M tape because that worked the best, and hopefully it doesn't come off again. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content again. I'm sorry for all the people that want to see content of how to get stuff for free, but YouTube doesn't really like that kind of content, and 2 of the videos got copyright strikes, so eventually if you get so many copyright strikes you're going to take your channel down. I don't really want to do that, so I'm just trying to do something else that won't involve copyright strikes. I don't know. If you guys do like these videos, make sure to hit that like button and let me know what you think of these. In the meantime, I'm going to go for a drive. Gas gauge out right there. You see that? That is full today. What? Let's send it. Get it. about that guy that was driving around and swerving around. I don't know. You know, what I think it was is he was either drunk or it was some like kids just got their license and they're just messing around. I don't know. You don't do that. That's a little weird. Got no clue. I got no answers for that. It's a little weird. I don't know what they're doing, what they're thinking. But my guess is they were probably really drunk. That's all I got. Well, I assume that they had way too much to drink and they should not be on the road. But they didn't care. They don't listen, and I don't understand. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. We will be showing you the new air filter that I installed tomorrow. So if you guys did like this video, hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one.